The Crown can only appeal if the court made an error about the law alone. The Crown cannot appeal a disagreement over the facts, the interpretation of witness evidence, or because a particular perspective leads to the opinion that the verdict was unreasonable. The Crown cannot appeal because some people have questions about how the investigation was done or what the lawyers did. The Criminal Code clearly states that the Crown can only appeal legal errors in the course of the trial. Public prosecution's lawyers, me, lawyers who do the appeal work here in Saskatchewan, experienced trial lawyers outside the appeal section, have applied the framework I've described and found no basis to appeal. Therefore, there will be no appeal. It appears there have been some calls for an appeal simply because of the particular verdict, or wishing to send a message about inclusiveness. The Criminal Code does not allow an appeal for such reasons. As I said before, the Criminal Code governs jury procedures. Who is chosen is not up to the jurors. They did not seek their role. It is both a civic duty and a truly honorable thing to take on that responsibility with commitment to the process and sincerity of heart. There is no evidence that anything other than the trial evidence and the judge's instructions guided them to their unanimous verdict. The Supreme Court, though, has already spoken, and I quote, "It must be remembered that the right to a representative jury is an entitlement held by the accused that promotes the fairness of his or her trial in appearance and in reality. It is not a mechanism for repairing the damaged relationship between particular societal groups and our criminal justice system more generally, and it should not be tasked with that responsibility." I urge no one to be discouraged or distrust the system. We are all in this together and must be united against crime and in the search for justice. I know there is much sadness over the decision not to appeal. And that is unfortunate. But there can be no appeal because the law does not allow it.